Ito. Huwag na tayo maghiya-hiya. Magpakapalan na tayo ng mukha nito. Tingnan nyo to. Jollibee. Spicy. Everybody should be...
All girl Ghostbusters. The Ghostbusters were guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi! Good morning! Nakapula tayo ngayon, guys. Ang alis ako, guys. Ano na bang oras? Alas 8 na ata. Kahapon, guys, hindi din ako nagpa-vlog. I cut the grass, guys. And then, ano pa. So, I was planning also to go to Walmart to pick up some platter ba. Yung platter na gusto kong bilhin para sa mukbang ko. I think I'm going to call my husband first before I'm going. Hindi ko ina-iron itong buhok ko, guys. You know, I noticed kapag naliligo ako, after ako maligo, na-notice ko lang itong buhok ko, pag hindi ko sinuklay, kapag basa, hindi ko sinuklay, ganunin ko lang, pabayaan ko lang siya hanggang maano siya, hanggang ma-dry. Soft siya, guys. As in, hindi siya katulad ng ibang araw na yung, you know, yung pagkatapos ko maligo, sinuklay-suklay ko. Iba yung dating, iba yung ano niya. Desisyonan ko nga, pabayaan ko lang siya, basa siya. Ganunin ko lang. Yun, okay na yan siya. Yung parang hindi naman siya straight, pero soft. Maraming nagsabi sa inyo na bagay daw sa akin yung short hair. I don't know kung bagay sa akin, pero baka ititrim ko lang ito. So, tignan natin. Pero gusto ko man itong taas na buhok, guys.
Hello.
Hi. What are you doing? Good morning. Okay, I just want you to know that I'm going to Walmart now. Yeah, I'm just gonna drive over there and then pick up some vegetables for later to eat, okay? Okay, honey, I love you. Natutulog pa pala si Mister. Si Mister ko. Pido. Ano-ano na tulungan mo. Magtitik ako ng Advil. Kasi ang sakit ng ulo ko. Gustong-gusto niya yung bed ng aso. Gustong-gusto niya yun siya. Yan ang baby ni mama. Not you, oy. Not all the time is about you. Tignan nyo. I'm just going to pick up my bag, oy. I'm just going to pick up my purse. Ha? Excited lagi ba? Excited. Wala lang nag $1. Kunin ko to kasi cherry blossom daw siya. Hanap ka. Shampoo tayo, guys. Hanap tayo ng shampoo, okay? Shampoo yung Head and Shoulder kasi yung hinahanap ko. Wala man silang Head and Shoulder. Punta na lang tayo dun sa ano, cat and dog food. Oh, dito sila. Head and Shoulder dito. Okay. Ito. Huwag na tayo maghiya-hiya. Magpakapalan na tayo ng mukha nito. Bahala na si Batman. Head and Shoulder for men. For men yung hinahanap ko kasi yung gusto ko din eh. Fresh for men. Ay, it's right here. Ay, sorry. Okay, this one. Kita ko na. Yep. Big one. Think how much ba yan? Hanap tayo ng cat food. Dito yung cat food nila, guys. Hanapin natin, okay? Ito yung gusto nila, guys. Pedigree. Ito yung gusto nila. Roxy and Misty. Which one is that? Tignan nyo. $8.99. Doon sa ShopRite. Sa ShopRite is 9 something. And sa isang grocery store is $12. Diba? Mura dito. Oh, ito yun, guys. Ito. Ito yung sinabi ko. Ito. Flat. $9 to, guys, diba? Ganda. Lagay natin dito. Marami pa man sila dito, guys. Oh. Iba-ibang klase. May pangsabaw din sila. Oh. $6 ito. And then, ito din, guys. Yan. Yan. Look at this, guys. I don't need go-go. My mother knows everything. Kaloka. I don't give a sip. Okay guys, I'm here. Ang init. Ang init ng sasakyan. Okay. Pauwi na ako. And the world between us, and we know they won't win. Dada's gonna be here today. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Ang lapad-lapad para sa mukbang natin. Ito, lagyan ko ng mukbang. Yun. Ilagay natin pagkain dyan. 10:51 na. And mushroom for tomorrow's food. I'm going to grill this with the zucchini, pepper, at saka onion. Bumili din ako ng okra, of course. And tonight is a string beans. Yeah. And also the dog food. And also I got shampoo and for hand soap. We have hand soap refill. And also this is for soup. Sabaw, lagay natin dyan. At saka itong mga dipping sauce, pang dip sauce. Yung mga suka natin, ganyan. Yung kita ninyo. Malalaki is maliit. At saka ito. So, yun. And also, bumili ako ng $4 lang ito, guys. $4 para sa garbage. Ilagay natin itong ganon. Sa ano ito, guys, sa laundry area kasi wala akong garbage lagyan yung mga ano, wala yung pagkatapos ng maglaba, wala. Laundry, yan. Uy, para ito sa taas, guys, sa bathroom nilabhan ko. Floor mat.
A prescription ointment that blocks overactive PDE4 enzymes within your skin. Blocking PDE4 is believed to reduce inflammation. And it's steroid-free. Do not use if you are allergic to eucalyptus.
Hugas tayo pinggan. Para mamaya wala tayo hugasan. These are the moments I gotta tell you right. These are the moments I'm coming on fire. I'm not waiting for. Ito, guys, umiiyak-iyak, kakaiyak-iyak lang talaga niya. Tinatawag-tawag ako dun, andun siya sa, ano, sa laundry area. Kuling mama. Si Habsibog. Ang baby na mo. Ang pinangga. Ang baby boy. I love him. He cry and cry and cry. He want to be carried or he want some treaties. That's all. He want some treat. Andito na si Tami. Nag-ano ako ng, naghihiwa ako ng ano. Dada. Look at this one, get excited to look at that one. Tignan niyo, excited Dada. Hala Dada, tignan niyo yung ikog nila. Sobrang happy ng dalawa. Ginger na itong hiniwa ko guys kasi maggawa ako ng cucumber pickled cucumber. Paborito din ito ng asawa ko. Gusto niya yung mga ganito, mga kilawin. Alam niyo kapag andun si Tami sa Pilipinas, yung mga kilaw-kilawin dyan, isda. Gusto niya yung mga ganun. Kasi alam ko yung taste niya. Jollibee. Ano ang dami? Jollibee. Tignan mo to, Jollibee, spicy Jollibee. Wala, ang laki ng spaghetti. Ilagay natin ito guys sa refrigerator. Ito yung una niyang tinanong guys. Yan. Did you feed the bird? Sabi ko, hindi. Hindi ko binigyan. Pero tignan mo na. Patay yung damo namin guys. Oh. Ang pinaka-green lang is yung malapit sa kahoy. Yung hindi na arawan. And then yung dito. Dito din oh. Hindi siya na arawan. You don't kinig-kiniging me. Nothing. Ay nako. Hubs or something else. There's something wrong with you.
I know where I'm special. I know I'm special.
Come here. Look.
I'm the special one.
The special one.
You said I know I'm special. I can do anything I want.
Kalokohan. Puro na lang kalokohan. Hi guys, we are family. Everybody should be.
What?
Should be talking. Everybody
Hi, guys.
should be talking.
I should be talking.
Yes, he's here.
Looking at technology updates.
Technology update.
See what's up and coming.
The iPhone is around is
I don't
10
know.
is.
I don't know that I want another
Yeah.
iPhone.
I will probably want another in the next future. Samsung.
I'm sure you will. Well,
In the future.
yeah.
Are they gonna replace
I'm
mine
not-
without pay?
No.
You said you have it like rotation.
Hmm.
No?
I don't know. Too many issues with iPhones nowadays.
Samsung guys.
Unfortunately, Steve Jobs is not going to come back and save the company again.
Yeah, Steve Jobs died. But the Samsung guys is Samsung is good. Makulimlim na guys. Makulamlam-limlim. Ano na bang oras? 7 o'clock na pala guys. 7 o'clock. Hala, umiyak yung aso, Rox. Hala, Rox. Umiyak yung aso, Rox. Hala, umiyak. Hala, umiyak yung aso, baby. Hala, umiyak. Hala. Hala. Hala.
The little piece fell off.
Yeah, it's fat. Burn. You like it? And it's just...
Sorry, Ross, I ate it without you. I didn't save you none.
Wala, it's not done yet.
Not done?
So that means I cut it.
No, let me see.
It's not, it's perfect.
Yeah. That's fine.
This is good, but
Don't matter.
okay?
Yeah.
Because I want mine bigger. Huh?
Yeah, that's fine, huh? Roxy says, what? Wait, you put them back on the fire. Where's mine?
Nothing, right? Daddy's little boy. Is that Daddy's little boy?
Yes, he says, I want cheese. I want cheese.
No, hon, you just gave him. You just gave him treats. We're going to eat steak right here, guys. String beans. Hinitin ko yan. At saka ito. So, yun lang yung kakainin namin.
So you're saying it's not seasoned very well?
No, it's color. Probably brown rice. She even in the tray, huh? Are you serious? It's just... Kailangan ko lang itong ilagay. Bagong laba itong mga mat dito. Mabango-bango. Ang bango-bango ng mga yung ilagay ko dito. Look. Ang bagong laba. I like it, guys. Yung pattern talaga ng mga ganito. Oh, I like ng mga pattern. Ay, nako, talagang buhay na to. Pati floor mat ipakita. Ano na bang oras? Alas 8 na. Ngayon pa ako ano nito. Kaluka. Ngayon pa ako tingin katulog na. It's time to bedtime. Pero ngayon pa ako ano ng bed. Laba. Kaluka. Tulog na yung biyanan ko, guys. I'm gonna shut that light off. I know it's automatic, but it takes forever. 11 o'clock. 11. Ay, naku, Lord.
It's nowhere near as good as there's a girl from Mike and Molly.
Yeah, it's Mike and Molly. The one is comedian. He's a good comedian.
But let me tell you something. The original Ghostbusters is way better than this.
This is the new one?
Yeah.
This is not the new one, hon.
Sure it is. All girl Ghostbusters. The Ghostbusters were guys.
I thought they just put it on the cinema, not in TV yet.
No, it's not. It's on TV now.
Where's Mama's cell phone? Dada lying down already with my phone. Ay, nako. Matutulog na kami, guys. We're gonna see night-night na. Yep, we're going to see night-night. Good night.
Hi, guys.
Bye. Night. See you in my next one.